Hello my friend, welcome back to another junk journal video. My name is Galit. I'm feeling much better and my throat is doing okay, so I'm so happy to be back. In today's video I'm doing a Happy Mail spread. As usual, I'm starting out with finding the page that I want, and I really love this one. It feels very festive and I love the band that I made in the masterboard video. I will link it down below as well. So this was the envelope that it came from, Aloha. I will link her channel down below, and I will link everything, how I unboxed my Happy Mail, how she unboxed her Happy Mail. And I really wanted to put this beautiful envelope in my junk journal, so I just cut everything down and she made everything look so pretty, even the address. This is her address, I will not put it here, and this is a beautiful letter that she wrote to me. And I have a few more. This came from the outside of the envelope at the sides. It's so cute, so beautiful, and I really wanted to use every single part of it. So yeah, I'm starting out with this bird, and this is so beautiful, and I'm just trying to think where and how I want everything. And I'm using double-sided tape because I want to make a pocket at the top. So I'm just adding double-sided tape on everything, and I'm gluing it on top of that page. And yeah, it already looks beautiful. I'm just adding the ephemera at the top. And yeah, I'm adding this address as a pocket. So again, I'm using double-sided tape, but before that the paper got loose. So I separated it, and I really loved it. It looks really beautiful, the other side as well, so I wanted to use that. And here I'm just adding double-sided tape again, and I'm just making it as a pocket. So yeah, this is a very simple spread. It is so fun to make. I really loved adding it into my junk journal. Band was a bit loose, so I added another double-sided tape just to make it a bit more secure. So yeah, I'm just cutting the excess away from this cute little thing. I'm adding the letter. I'm also adding the address. Now I have this very cute thing of the bird and the city, and I wanted to make it as a huge tag. So yeah, I just made this tag, and I'm adding it behind that band. And I have this very cute strip that was behind the address, and I'm adding it as a pocket as well. So I have this cute little strip, and I thought of making a little booklet, but just with one scrap of paper. So I grabbed the coffee dyed paper, a little scrap, and I just stapled them together, just so I will have some journaling area. And I'm just tucking it behind that band. I have this cute little tag that Aloha sent me in her Happy Meal, and this is so cute. I really wanted to add it to the bucket just to have a bit more journaling spot if I wanted, and if not, just to have some pretty ephemera there. And this tag looks beautiful here. So yeah, I just grabbed my pen and I just started journaling. I'm grateful for Aloha's generosity and kindness. She is such a good friend, and I'm so happy I reached out to her. And yeah, I just gushed a bit and I added it back behind the band. I have this address of Aloha's, and I wanted to tuck it neater in the pocket, and I added the ephemera back. And the little piece that was left I added inside the other pocket. And I have this large scrap, and I wanted to add it as a band on this page, which I actually think it turned out really cute. And I really wanted to secure these ephemeras, so I added double-sided tape and added them on top of that page. And I continued to journal a bit more because I had a few more things to say. I'm so happy that I had more space to journal. I needed that. And yeah, this page is pretty much done. It's very simple, it was very easy, and this page brings me so much happiness. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a very fast, very easy spread, but I enjoyed every second of it. And even now when I looked at it just the other day, it just filled my heart with joy. So I know I said it many times, but thanks Aloha again and again and again. This letter is so beautiful. This page is amazing. You see that symbol? It is so beautiful. I just had to give you a sneak peek. And this tag also, I love it, with the bird and the city. It looks just beautiful. Even behind the tag, it looks beautiful. I just wanted to distress it a bit. And I love this little snippet. It is so cute, and I'm so happy that I have some journaling spot. And the other pocket looks very cute. I love it. It is a really easy spread, but memorable, and every time I will see it, it will make my heart fill with joy, and I love it. That is all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video on next Saturday. But until then, I hope you will have a wonderful time. Bye!